How to recover memories back on Snapchat. Here's a step-by-step guide. First, open the Snapchat app on a device and log into your account if you haven't already. Then tap on your profile icon at the top left corner of the screen. Next, click on the settings icon at the top right. Once you're in the settings menu, scroll down to the support and feedback section and select Help Center. From there, click on the search bar and choose Download My Data. When the result appears, scroll until you find the link and tap on it. After that, click on My Data. Then uncheck any data types you don't need, but make sure to keep memories selected. Also make sure to leave the file format as HTML. Now scroll down and tap Next. Now choose your preferred date range and make sure your email is correct. Then hit Submit. Snapchat will begin processing your data. Once it's ready, you will get an email with the download link. So simply open it and you will be able to access your deleted memories. That's it. I hope this video helped.